Hello students, welcome to English online class. Classified ads or classified advertisements are small advertisements in a newspaper or magazine. They are usually from a person or small company. Since it's a formal piece of writing, so you must keep in mind not to use pronouns like I, we, my, you, your, etc. Today, you will learn how to draft lost and found advertisement. Thereafter, you will see two examples of missing advertisements. Before we start, let us see what are the points that you must include in your answer. When you start writing your answer, draw a box and then write the name of the item lost or found in the first sentence itself. After that, you write date and time where the item was lost or found. It is necessary to give particulars of the article lost and give its description. If you have found any article, then you need not give its description in detail. Next step, mention the name, address and phone number of the person to be contacted. In the end, you can mention the reward that you are going to offer. Remember, your answer should be simple and short and not to go beyond 50 words. This question comes under the short composition and you get it for 4 marks in the examination. Before we start with the examples, let us see a sample format. First sentence, lost a dash while traveling by DTC bus route from dash on at. So always begin your answer with lost or found. That should be the first word of your answer. Then what you have lost, it can be a purse, it can be a bag, it can be a wallet, it can be a folder, it can be a briefcase. So read the question carefully. Then where. So you can write while traveling from, let us say, from Faridabad to Delhi border, on, write down the date, time. The first two value points you have covered. Now come to the third value point, that is the description of the article. So the bag, wallet, whatever you have written in the first sentence contains, so it can contain your iCard, your receipts, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, important document, certificate. So you can mention in detail. If found, please contact. Then you have to mention the phone number or the address or both. Finder will be suitably rewarded. So when you write your answer, you have to keep in mind all the 4 value points. First value point, what is lost, where it is lost, date, time. Then second sentence, description of the article or any other relevant detail. Then reward offered, and in the end contact details, or contact details can come before you write about the reward offered. So make sure that when you write your answer, the 3 points should be there. Now let us start with the example. Listen to me carefully as I explain how to write an advertisement of lost and found. Heading will be lost and found. Always start your answer with the word lost. Now what is lost? Briefcase. See the first sentence, lost a VIP brown briefcase. So in the first sentence itself you have described briefcase. Then give a little description of briefcase. Brand VIP and color brown. After this, you are going to give the description of the contents containing PAN card, Aadhaar card and important documents. Then when it was lost while traveling by DTC bus number 865, where it was lost between Vikaspuri and Nehru Place. Then you have to give the date and time, 22nd May at 2 p.m. After this, you have to write contact address. If found, contact, then name, address, and then phone number. In the end, you will write finder will be suitably rewarded. So, have you noticed, students, how we have covered all the points given in the value points? Let us move on to the next example. Read the example carefully. You will notice that this example also starts with the word lost. What is lost? A leather wallet. Describe the wallet. Brown. When and where it is lost? In Rajdhani Express while travelling from Chandigarh to Delhi. Date and time 4th July between 10:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. And always remember, with the word between, what do we use? And. The wallet contains driving license, PAN card, and rupees 2600. If you don't want to mention the amount, then you can also write some cash. If found, please contact. You can give the address, phone number. If you don't want to write the address, you can give only phone number here as it is given here. And you can also skip writing finder will be suitably rewarded. But if you want, you can always write. Otherwise, it can be skipped also. Now read the example carefully. In the first two examples, you have noticed that we lost something while traveling. But when you are not traveling and lose something, then how to write a notice? Lost a pink folder. Folder you have already described, it's pink in color. What does it contain? Containing CBSE certificates of standard 10th and 12th around sector 9, because you don't know the exact place, so you can write around, or if you know the exact place, you can write in sector 9. Faridabad District Park on 25th June, date and time at 5:30 p.m. Urgently required for admission in college. If you want, you can write, or you can avoid writing this sentence. Next point, finder will be suitably rewarded. This can come before your address and phone number also. If found, please contact RIA. If address is given in the question paper or in the question, then you have to write. But if it is not given, then if you don't want to write, you can skip. Now look at the next example. Here, the person has found a pink bag. When you are writing an advertisement where you have found something, you don't have to give what does the bag or briefcase or wallet contain. The person who has lost will give the details and then claim it back. So it's very easy to write when the question comes about found. So found a pink bag containing some important documents and cash. Don't give the exact cash. Near, write down the place where you have found. Sector 7, Noida, auto stand. Date 3rd July, time 3:30. After that, you simply give your address and phone number. Your answer is complete. Owner can claim from Sector 7, Noida police station, or call. Then give the name of the person and phone number. Now read this answer. This is an example of missing. It can be a missing person or a pet animal. Always begin such advertisement with the word missing. Then give brief physical description. When you are writing about the missing person, physical description includes height, complexion, build, clothes, color of the clothes, or if you're writing about pet animals, you can write about breed or the color of the skin. Color of the skin means color of the fur. Then since when or from where the animal or the person is missing. Then definitely you are going to write about the reward offered and the contact address and phone number. So let us read this example keeping these value points in mind. Missing a 5 months, see the age is also mentioned. Then breed, white Labrador dog. Then the name of the dog, Pluto, and fur, brown collar with black patch on its forehead. And it is missing since 15th June. Then the area C block, Janakpuri, New Delhi. Mention the reward. Informer will be suitably rewarded. Then give your contact address and phone number. Usually we avoid using words like I, my, we, our, you. But when you are writing an advertisement about a missing person, then you have to write your relation with that person. Let us see the next example here. Who is missing? My niece Kanta. Since when? Since Saturday evening. From where? Sector 7, Park. Then give the physical description. Age, height, aged 12, height 5 feet 3 inches, wheatish complexion, short hair, light brown eyes, birthmark on right cheek, wearing red skirt with white top. So you have to mention the clothes also along with the physical description. Then mention the reward. Anyone giving her whereabouts will be suitably rewarded. Then give your contact address and phone number.